Is the feather ready, Lily? Yes. I found 3 long feathers in the garden. Good. I will tickle Dad's feet. And I will tickle Mom's nose. 1, 2, 3.
Oh. What is that?
Lily, stop.
Good morning, sleepyheads. Time to wake up. No more sleeping.
Is it 6 a.m. already?
My nose is very itchy now.
It was a feather attack.
You two are very naughty.
What is the plan for today, Dad?
I have a big surprise for you.
A surprise? Tell us.
We are going to the deep jungle of Bali.
Oh, I love the jungle.
First, breakfast. Then, adventure.
Hello! Are you the Mark family? Yes. Nice to meet you, Agung. Welcome to Bali. I am your guide today.
Wow, Agung! Your Jeep is so cool.
Thank you. Hop in. Let's go to the forest.
Look at those tall trees.
Those are banyan trees. They are very old.
The air is so fresh here.
Okay, let's walk now. Be very quiet.
Why, Agung?
Because we want to see the monkeys.
Look! Up there! On the branch!
It is a long-tailed monkey.
It is eating a small banana. It looks like Ben when he eats. No, it doesn't.
Don't touch them. They are wild.
Wait, I need my sunglasses. It is bright.
Stella, look out!
My sunglasses! It is running away! Come back, little monkey!
Follow that monkey! This way. It is going towards the cliffs.
Where is it? I can't see it.
Look! Through those bushes!
Oh my!
It's a beach! A secret beach!
And there are my glasses on that rock.
I got them! They are safe!
Agung, this place is beautiful. This is Hidden Cove. Not many people come here.
The sand is so white and soft.
The water is crystal blue.
Can we swim, Agung?
Yes, but stay close to the shore.
I want to find a big fish. I am looking for shells.
I found a coconut.
Great! Let's drink some coconut water.
Here you go. Fresh and sweet.
This is the best day ever. Better than school? Much better than school.
Wait! The sky is turning gray.
Look at those dark clouds. A tropical rain is coming! Very fast!
I felt a drop.
It's raining! Everyone, run! Where do we go?
To that small cave under the cliff. Whoa.
That was close.
We are all wet, but it's warm. The rain sounds like a drum on the rocks. How long will it rain?
Only 10 minutes. Bali rain is short.
What is this?
Did you find a crab, Ben?
No, it's hard. It's under the sand.
Let me help you pull it out.
Careful, kids.
It's a giant shell. It is very heavy, and it has colors.
Wait, are these drawings?
What is it, Agung?
These are ancient symbols.
Is it a message?
It is a code from the old sea tribe.
A pirate code?
Maybe. It shows a map of the ocean floor.
A map? On a shell?
Yes. They used shells to remember secret places.
Maybe there is gold under the water.
I want to be an underwater explorer.
You are a great treasure hunter, Ben.
Look, the rain stopped.
And there is a rainbow over the sea.
This is the magic of Bali.
Time to go back to the Jeep.
Do we have everything? Glasses? Camera?
I have the shell map. My legs are very tired now.
I can carry you on my shoulders, Ben.
Yeah. Thanks, Dad.
Did you enjoy the trip?
It was amazing. I love the monkeys. And I love the secret cave.
The jungle is full of secrets.
Bali has many more stories. Agung, can you read the shell? A little. It says, "The dragon's breath."
A dragon? Is it real?
We will see tomorrow.
Tomorrow? We are going again?
If you are not too tired.
I am not tired anymore. Me neither.
Let's have a big dinner first.
Do you like satay?
Huh? What is satay?
It is delicious meat on a stick.
Yes, please. I am very hungry.
Look at the sunset. It is so orange.
This is the perfect vacation.
I wonder where the dragon is.
We will find out soon, Lily.
Look at Ben. He is finally quiet.
Jungle air makes children sleep well.
I won't sleep. I want to look at the stars.
We are almost at the villa.
We are here. Home sweet home. Thank you, Agung. You are a great guide. It was my pleasure. See you at 8 a.m.? 8 a.m. is perfect.
Bye, Agung.
Bye, Lily. Bye, Ben.
Okay, everyone. Shower time.
I want to be first. No, I am first.
They still have so much energy.
Because they are explorers.
Ready for the next adventure?
Mom, where is my towel?
Coming, Lily.
Adventure never stops.
Dinner is ready, everyone. Come and sit. Yay! I am so hungry.
The food smells really good, Mom. Dad, today was the best day ever.
Let's eat and talk about our day.
Yes, we went to the jungle and the beach.
My favorite part was the fresh air in the forest.
I liked the hidden beach. It was very quiet.
And the monkey took Mom's sunglasses.
Hey, that chimpanzee was very naughty.
But it showed us the secret beach.
That's true. Sometimes surprises are good.
I liked the cave when it was raining. The rain sounded like music.
I was a little scared, but it was fun.
And then we found the big shell.
Yes! The shell with the map on it. I want to find treasure tomorrow.
Slow down, little explorer. Eat first.
Today was a great family adventure.
Mom, can you tell us a story before bed?
Do you want a jungle story?
Yes. With monkeys and treasure.
And maybe a dragon, too. The dragon's breath. Long ago, the jungle was full of magic.
Was there a dragon in the jungle?
Yes, a kind dragon lived near the sea.
Was it big and strong?
Very big, but very gentle.
The dragon protected the forest and the ocean.
What is the dragon's breath?
It is warm air from the dragon's heart.
Can it make fire?
No, it makes light,
not fire. Light like the rainbow today.
Yes, just like that rainbow.
Did people see the dragon?
Only brave and kind people.
If you help others, yes.
I helped Lily with the shell. And I shared my shells. Then the dragon will like you. Will we meet the dragon tomorrow?
Maybe you will feel its breath. Oh,
On the beach?
Near the rocks and the sea.
I am not scared. Me neither. I am excited.
big adventures start with small steps.
And now, small steps to bed.
Okay, just one more story later. Good night, dragon. Good night, my little explorers.
The kids are finally asleep.
Yes. Today was a long day.
But a very beautiful one.
I loved seeing them so happy.
The jungle changed them a little.
They were brave today.
And curious, like you.
I hope they remember this trip.
They will. Family moments stay forever.
I am grateful we are here together.